Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove and unlink Google Play from eFootball account. This process is very simple and only takes a few steps. First, open your Google Play application and make sure it is updated to the latest version. At the bottom, you'll see Home, Library, and Profile. Tap on Profile, then go to the top right and tap on the three dots. Once you do that, tap on Settings, and then scroll down to the bottom until you find your data. Under this section, you will see options like Clear Local Search History, Review Hidden Games, Change Account for Games, and Delete Play Games Account and Data. You will want to tap on Delete Play Games Account and Data, and you will see two sections: Delete Play Games Account and All Data. This will permanently delete your Google Play Games account. For individual games, this action might also delete your scores, progress, and settings in the games you've played. You can tap on the Permanently Delete button if you want to delete every single piece of data from all of your games. But if you only want to unlink eFootball, you should select the eFootball game. I don't have eFootball installed, but I'll show you the steps using another game as an example. Simply click on Delete, and a warning will pop up telling you that you will lose all of your progress. Just go ahead and click on Delete Permanently, and that's it. After that, go back to eFootball, tap on Extras, then tap on User Information. This is where you can manage your personal information. Next, tap on Link Data, which shows your linked data. You'll see something like Data Link Status, Google Play Linked, Konami ID Linked. Tap on View Link Data at the bottom, and it will show you an option to unlink data. Tap on that to unlink your data, and you will be completely free. So that's basically how you can unlink your Google Play account from PS. Before we finish, a quick tip. For safe and private browsing while managing your accounts, you can try NordVPN at a great price. Check the link in the description.